Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you all how you can get your security deposit back with Discover. So if you can see right here, you have a new credit line and a new credit limit, and it's $2,500, and this is with Discover. So when it comes down to Discover, if you guys get their security deposit, they'll usually tell you just to make 6 consecutive payments or pay your bill on time, and then they'll give your money back. And look right here, it's in proof that they said they are going to get your money back, and it's going to take 5 to 7 business days. So this is an actual thing from Discover saying, hey, you did what you have to do, we give you your money back, plus we increased your limit to $2,500. Now look right here, this is what Discover want people to do if you want to get your deposit back. So Discover is telling you to make 6 consecutive months of on-time payments, maintain good status on all your credit accounts for the same 6 consecutive billing cycles, and then you'll get your security deposit back and get upgraded to a standard unsecured card. And then your account number, rewards, and benefits will stay the same. So let's go back to this 6 consecutive months of on-time payments. You guys, put your bills on auto payment. Like, put it on auto pay. Pay, just set it for the minimum. Sometimes your minimum may be $25, $40, depending on how much you spent. Set it for the minimum. And then 2, maintain a good status on all your credit accounts. So when you guys see something like that, maintain a good status on all your credit accounts, that just basically means don't have new collections, or you could possibly have a new collection, don't have new charge-offs and things like that, don't have new late payments, don't be over the limit on your other credit cards. And that's just maintain a good status on all your credit accounts. I mean, all of them, not just with them, but all of them. And then they said they'll get your security deposit back. Now, I really wanted to make this video because I seen this comment right here. So somebody said that Navy Fed denied their application for an unsecured card. They said they had the secured card with them for 7 months, no late payments. They kept the utilization at 5%. They didn't wait until the payment to pay it, they just paid it. They said they have $14,000 in direct deposits every month coming into the account, and their credit score is in mid-600s. They said they consider leaving them as a whole. And my comment to them was, did you call them? Did you talk to them? Like, what did they say? If you all have a secure credit card and it's not graduating, then you really need to call them. Like, call them and see exactly why it's not graduating, because they may be able to tell you, hey, this is what the problem is, or hey, we are going to graduate. You just have to wait 1 month. Because they said they've been with them for 7 months, but don't forget, it's 6 consecutive billing cycles. It has to do with your billing cycles. Now let's go to Navy Federal and let's go to Discover. Now I'm going to my website, All Things Rickita. I have all the credit cards on here. So let me go ahead and click on credit cards. And let's go down and look at Navy Federal. So Navy Federal, if you're building credit, let's go ahead and let's not even do that. Just go all the way down to the bottom, you'll find it. So if you look right here, this is their secure card. Let's go ahead and click on it. So this is their secure card. Usually this is the one where you'll put a $200 deposit down. It's going to increase to a $2,000 credit card. So I always tell people to possibly look into getting this credit card because it's a great way to build your credit. And on top of that, you're going from $200 to $2,000, and they can pre-qualify you. So you have no annual fees, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no cash advance fees. So basically, all you have to do, and here it is right here. Let's read exactly what they're saying. You have to read these different things. So you have to deposit at least $200 into your membership. And then they're going to take that money and put it onto your credit card. And then after just 3 months, you can be eligible for an upgrade that provides you additional credit without any additional security deposit. Whether your credit limit is increased will depend on your current credit limit and other factors. So after 3 months, they're going to start considering you for an increase. And then after 6 months, we'll review your credit card account monthly. So they're going to keep reviewing it to see if they're able to give you that increase. So they're going to review your account monthly to see if they're going to give you that increase. So they're saying too, on-time payments and keep your balance under the credit limit would improve the chances of your credit card being upgraded to an unsecured card. So if I were you, I know they said 6 months, but I would go and see if I'm at that 6 billing cycles. I'll see if I had the 6 billing cycles. And if you did, I would call them. I had plenty of clients call them and they're like, oh no, you just wait 1 month. It looks like we're going to upgrade it. Just wait 1 month. Call them and see what they're going to say. Don't just, say, oh, I'm not going to deal with them, because Navy Federal is a good company, a good credit union. You want to keep a credit card with them if you can. And then the chance of them increasing it to a $2,000 credit card is what you're really aiming for. So that's Navy Federal. Now I do want to go to Discover. So let's go to Discover and let's look at their secured credit card, because we just seen that Discover credit card went from it went up to a $2,500 credit card, and they sent back to the security deposits. So now we see that they're actually sending back security deposits and increasing it. Now this is their secured credit card. So you'll earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. Plus, you'll earn a limited 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically. So that is really good, and you won't have an annual fee. So let's go ahead and click on there. Now they can pre-approve you for a credit card also, so you can click check now to see if they can pre-approve you for a credit card. And then again, no annual fee and no credit score required to apply. That is not true, because Discover will actually deny you. Discover will actually deny you for a credit card. Seriously. I guess we got to go down and see what's the fine print on that. And let's actually look at it now while we're looking into it. So yeah, they're saying they are going to check your credit. So don't I don't know why. I don't know if I'm reading that wrong or what. But they can so they said no credit score required to apply. I guess they mean if you don't have any credit at all, if you're brand new. I'm going to just go off of that. So how does the secure credit work? So your credit line will be equal to the deposit amount. You starting at $2,000, so you can put $2,000 down on that credit card. Your secure credit card will help you build your credit responsibly. And then after 7 months, we begin an automatic monthly account review to see if you qualify to convert to a standard unsecured card and get your deposit back. So that's after 7 months. But don't forget, I just read to you all that they said after 6 consecutive billing cycles, it's going to take you about a month to even get a bill, to even have a billing cycle. So this is something to really think about. I really like the Discover. I really like the Navy Federal. You can also look into the Capital One, but Capital One, if you get their credit card, they have 2 of them. They're secure credit cards. This is the one I want you to look at. They said be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. The only thing is they're not going to go to $2,000 or $2,500. They're going to $500. They're going to go from $200 to $500 or $300. So you're not getting a great increase. So I always tell people, definitely looking to get that Discover, definitely looking to get a Navy Federal, because look right here, you guys, the proof is in the pudding. Like, you guys are going to get possibly a great increase when you guys have these secure credit cards. So definitely look into getting those credit cards. Remember, keep your accounts positive. Don't have any new late payments, any new charge-offs, anything negative reporting to your credit reports, and keep your balance low. Like, keep your balance low. Don't max it out. Don't scare them to the point where they thinking, oh no, you're not going to pay it off, because they don't want to give you an increase if the chances of you paying it off is very low. So hopefully this helped you guys, and make sure you guys go to my website, All Things Rickita, because I have so many different things here. I have all the different credit cards that you guys will possibly think to even get. Bad credit, okay. TransUnion inquiry only. I have to do the Experian and Equifax, so look for that in the coming weeks. Balance transfer, bankruptcy friendly, buy now, pay later, utilization credit cards, personal loans, and pre-qualify, no hard inquiry. Also, let me know in the comments, like, what else can I put here? What other list do you want me to put? And for your comment to stand out, make sure you put, hey Rickita, make a list with this, make the list about this. Let me know exactly what you want me to make a list about. And my next video is going to be about student credit cards, so maybe my comment will be something like, Rickita, make a list about student credit cards. So definitely let me know that in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.